Clogged shower drains in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Paul Samorano, and I'm actually in a shower in Tucson, Arizona. Have you guys ever taken a shower and you have all that water within 30 seconds starts backing up on you? It's a really nasty feeling as it gets to your feet, and it's all puddling there, and it's not very pleasant, is it? Now, what that is a shower backup. A lot of times, plumbing companies will use something like this. This is a cable that will go 35 feet into your drain to try to poke a hole in whatever's causing it to back up. But the problem is, this sometimes is not what solves the issue. It may get it to drain, but it's not the root cause. So what we do on every stoppage we go to at Imperial Plumbing, we run a sewer camera, which will actually allow us to see the inside of the pipe and diagnose why did it back up and how to prevent it from happening again. So I'll give you an example of how performing these sewer camera drains actually helped the Tucson homeowner. We had a customer call us actually last year about a gurgling noise and an awful smell she was getting in her shower. She wanted to find out what was going on. It seemed to be draining good. We actually put her scope down, and what we found is her sewer line was infested with roots and would back up temporarily and then clear up. So by doing that, we were able to save her a lot of heartache of an actual backup and it flooding her house. So if you're tired of your drains backing up constantly, having them snake, then backing up again, gallons of Drano, just give us a call. We'll take care of it once and for all and find out what's going on. Thank you.